Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing the glitter lip kits by Stay Golden Cosmetics. I got two shades. This one's in the shade It's Cocoa, and then this one is in the shade VAMP. It's like a very red glittery color. So for this look, we're going to go with the very red glittery color, which is VAMP. So let's open up the Stay Golden Cosmetics glitter lip kit in the shade VAMP. So as soon as you open up the lip kit, you have the little wand applicator. Then we have the gloss bond. This is just the lip liner. And then we have the glitter. This is the little glitter here. Very reflective, very red. So these colors are kiss proof, swim proof, turn up proof, and cruelty free. So these are the instructions. It says start with dry lips. Apply the gloss one lip at a time. Once the gloss is clear, dampen the applicator and use it to pick up the glitter. Gently pat onto your lips to completely cover the gloss bond. Tips: line your lips for a flawless finish. To remove, use an oil-based makeup remover. Okay, so first, let's line the lip. These pencils are so smooth and creamy, oh my gosh. Okay, so the liner is on. Now we're gonna jump into the gloss bond. Dip. I am freaking shocked how good these glitter lip kits worked. Like, they work. If you guys want glitter lips, go to staygoldencosmetics.com and you'll have glitter lips just like me. They have different colors, tons of shades. This is not sponsored. I wish it was, but yeah, go ahead and check them out. Oh my god, really good products. Alright you guys, well that's it for today's look. If you like this look, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below what you guys think about these new glitter lip kits by Stay Golden Cosmetics. I don't think they're new, but they're new to me. Yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified of all the videos that I've been uploading, okay? I'll see you guys soon. Bye.